Hello again, and welcome back to Coventry Auto Components. Today we're focusing on the 140 150 steering column and particularly the steering rack parts. We manufacture all these parts, and there are a lot of people now wanting to fit these into XK120 as well, which is explained on the website. So we have all the parts here to maintain and repair your steering gear. Now I am pleased to announce that we have in fact reproduced the whole XK steering rack. This rack and pinion was developed by Leys for Jaguar. As you can see, that name has even been reproduced in the top of the rack here. The central box section of this rack has actually been cast out of aluminium, even though it's correct with the correct casting marks in. It is a lightweight version and does come with coarse bolts fitted, because when you do a casting correctly you do use a coarse thread. You can actually fit the strap safety kit onto there, so you can retain your safety features, as this is still mounted on rubber mounts, and we do advise you to use a genuine metal elastic which still have the numbers written down the side of them. And it's a thing not too well known, but all of these racks should be shimmed to the chassis, and we do make all of the shims here in stainless steel, so you do have the correct parts to fit it correctly to your chassis as Jaguar intended. Using these shims allows the rack to be fitted perfectly flat, which takes the strain off the bushes that are fitted inside, making them perform perfectly as should be, with no stresses, no sideways motion, no extra torque on, so these can move accurately through after it's been line bored and set up. It should be a perfectly swinging rack and pinion assembly. So we thought we'd just show you this now. Perfectly reproduced, beautiful piece of machinery with greasers and everything, all fitted, nice new tubes, nice new bellows. We can also sell you the correct fittings to fit the trap rods, and we even fit original type greasers which we can supply for you under part 4190. So here it is, the whole new thing. If you want to fit one onto an XK120, I have written an article on the website. It will download as a PDF with live links to the shop, so you can purchase each part, click it across into the shopping basket and price it as you go, and then you can send it through to us on a do a deal if you wish with any other part you want for the project, and we will come back to you with a deal for you so you can carry this project through. So we thought you'd be pleased with this, because these have been very hard to obtain for many years, but now available new. We can assemble them to order, left or right hand drive. Just let us know what you need and we can now get these assembled within a few days. So no long waits, everything ready to go, and we can supply any other parts you want to rebuild your XK as well. As you can see, this steering rack does come fitted with a new taper pin. As we've found, there are a number of people dabbling with these and they're coming out at different sizes. So we will supply you a taper pin that is fitted to fit this rack perfectly. It may come disassembled with the trap rods, inner trap rods off, for saving on packaging size, so we can ship it across the world cheaper for you. But here we go, all the parts are here, and if you need to know any more information, come to www.covauto.com and have a look at all our products. And if you need to, talk to us, because we know what you're talking about. We're the last specialist left in this field. We're not resellers, we are making, manufacturing, assembling. These are our parts, this is our speciality. There's no one else interested in doing this for you anymore. We're the best in the world, and we've been doing it for 55 years. So come find us and introduce yourself. We'll help you build your car.